What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Fidelis. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you would like to see how I installed this beautiful kinky curly lace from Megalook Hair, continue watching. So this hair is a 13 by 6 frontal wig. The sides actually are like 4 inches on each side, but it's nice and has good parting space. But since this is not a sponsored video, I am going to give you the real deal 411 on this hair. It was nice when it came out the package. It's giving real 3C hair. So if you're looking for a natural look, this is the hair for you. Now, this is where I ran into some problems. Now, I colored the hair, bleached the knots, and that's when it turned into a natty ratty mess. So I'm not sure if it's because of the dye that I used or whatever, but don't mind my fat. But yes, it was like it started tangling up. Also with this hair, you have to use a lot of product. So I used water, some curling mousse, and some curling cream from Cantu to get it nice and manageable. But it was like shedding and carrying on like as if it was real, like your real hair would do. If you have 3C texture, you know, it could be quite a problem to get that hair like to manage your own hair. So yes, it gave me realness when it came to styling this hair. Also, it's 22 inches, but I feel like if I blonde it out and straightened it a little bit, it definitely would give the full 22. But because it's in a shrinking state, it doesn't look 22, but it's a 22 inch. I used the boho liquid gold to lay her down because I don't keep my wigs on for too long. But this is definitely going to give me a 2 to 3 day hold. If you're looking for that, definitely use that boho liquid gold. So as you can see right here, when it comes to using a boho, you don't want to apply the lace when it's soaking wet, when the glue is still wet. Excuse me. You want to make it a little tacky, and for extra hold, you could add as many layers as you like, but do not touch the lace when it is drying because it will give you like a white film or whatever. But other than that, I really enjoyed working with this hair. It is giving realness. I was getting mad compliments yesterday when I went outside. People actually thought it was my real hair. So on that note, it does serve realness. And other than that, you can continue watching and see how I lay it down. So after tying it down and setting her in the dryer for about 15 minutes, this is the final look. It looks melted down to the ground. Yes, yes. She was giving realness. I did not flatten out the top, so don't mind the hump, but she's still cute. Thanks for watching.